Howdy, what are you doing? Look, he gets his little hunch in his back.
From Sylvia.
He doesn't need anybody to play with. He just... No.
Here.
There they go.
Here.
No. What, you're throwing them in the arena, huh? Is that it?
Go get him.
Go get him. Look at her. She is, too. Whee!
Here comes Bandit, and there goes Shadow.
Oh, dear. Kitty Mayhem. Kitty Mayhem. Oh, there they go. Look at it. It's like a three-ring circus. You don't know where to watch.
You know, you can use the wide angle and stuff on that. You know?
Yeah. Trying to... Whoop. Look at the tails. There's the trouble coming when you see those tails like that. I'm waiting for somebody to make a move. Yeah, and here comes Mayhem doing what she does best.
Creating mayhem.
Mayhem! It's a stare down, man.
Here comes Sylvia off to the left.
I see it.
There goes Shadow. Here we go.
They just chase each other. Uh-oh. Here goes Mayhem at Bandit. Whoa! Here he comes. Whee! Alright.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Rowdy? Looks like he's tired. Where do they go? What is up with these cats? He's snocking. I mean stocking, not snocking the snowball. Uh-oh. I think Karen may be coming up the hill. I know she knows not to hit your... Nope, going up the hill. Not Karen. Good. Here comes Miss Mayhem. She just did a somersault.